Hi everyone, my name's Robert.
Hi, my name's Raquel and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're looking at importing Sony A7III files into Lightroom 5.
This topic has come up several times in the comment section for this video. But that fix doesn't work for older versions of Lightroom. So here is an option for you to use the A7III RAW files in Lightroom 5. Adobe has a converter which converts RAW files into Adobe DNG files which are supported by older versions of Lightroom. There is a downside to this. If in the future you want to switch to a different editing software, your converted files might not be supported.
Open your browser and do a search for the Adobe DNG Converter. A link will be in the description box below. Follow the link and download the relevant version for your system, either Mac or Windows. Once downloaded, install the file and open the Adobe DNG Converter program. This will open up a dialog box which you will need to set some options. Click on the first box and navigate to your SD card with your A7III RAW files and select the DCIM folder. You also have to click the box which says Include images within subfolders. Then click on the second box which gives you the option to select folders to save images. Create a folder to store your converted RAW files and select that folder. Then click on the Convert button at the bottom of the program. This process will take a few minutes depending on how many files you have to convert and how fast your computer is.
Once the conversion process has finished, you can close the program and open up your version of Lightroom. Then press the Import button on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You'll have to navigate to the folder you created earlier, then hit the Import button on the right-hand side, and now you have your RAW files in Lightroom 5.7.1. And if you like this video, hit the like button.
And if you don't, just leave a comment in the section below, and any feedback would be really appreciated.
And also hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of future updates.
We'd like to see you on the next one. See you next time.
See you soon. Bye.